Hey, it's John here. We're going to do 4Clojure problem 147 called Pascal's Trapezoid. We sort of did the hard part of this earlier in Pascal's triangle, but let's do it again. So the first thing to do is make a little function to calculate the next row. Let's do a function next row, which will take a sequence as the first row. And what we did there was we did concat 0, s, and 0. Let's go ahead and evaluate this as we go. So that if we have the input row 2, 3, 2, then we get that with zeros. Okay, let's thread that in here. And then what we want to do is map, we want to do the partition that into groups of 2, but taking steps of 1, which gives us each pair going through, padded with zeros on either side. And then we can map a reducing function across those. So we're going to apply plus to each pair, and that will give, that's essentially our next row. So that's good. So now we need to make our Pascal's triangle function with trapezoid. Okay, it's going to take a input sequence S, and now we're going to make a let binding here for next row. Okay, so now that function declared inside of here, they gave us a little hint to make, to have this plus that doesn't overflow. So we'll do arbitrary precision addition so we don't overflow. Okay, so now let's try to call our new trapezoid function with the input 2, 3, 2. Shouldn't return back anything, because all we've done is define this function. So if we just, let's call our function next row on S. This needs to be inside of our let binding. Let's try again. Okay, so now that's working. What we want to do is make this lazy sequence. So what we want to do is concat our input as a vector onto a lazy seq. Cat our S onto a lazy sequence of calling trapezoid on the next row. Okay, pretty straightforward, I think. Now we need to be more careful because we want to take some finite number. So we take 5 of this whole thing, so our ripple doesn't get stuck forever evaluating a lazy sequence. And there we have it. I think that is the right answer, so let's try it out. Alright, that was it. Thank you for watching.